Okay guys, so today is the day. If you've been following along, a couple weeks ago, Ryan and I went to Spec D drift event. I went drifting for the very first time with Chelsea Denofa. It kind of was a joke because on our way out there, I was like, I will not get in a drift car unless it's with Chelsea Denofa, because that's never gonna happen. Lo and behold, the opportunity comes up. I get to go drifting with him. I liked it a lot more than I thought I was going to, I'm not gonna lie. So I came home that night and the very next morning I bought us tickets to Formula Drift in the States. And I'm so excited to go see more drifting. I never thought that that would be me, but here we are. Just made it through the border, super easy peasy. My new passport worked. That was a very tight timeline to get a passport in, but I did it. Proof that if you want to do something, all you gotta do is just, you know, push through, make it happen.
Oh, it's not that bad actually.
It's not that bad. Got to this really cute little brewery, and it's right on the marina. You can kind of see the water behind us. Look good? The husband looks good. He's very focused on figuring out what beers he's got.
This brewery is awesome, guys. So we got flights. Ooh, Nicole and I both got a flight. 6 beers in each one, and they're really nice looking. Looks really good. Got a nice view over here. It's pretty cool. We're looking out to the water. Kinda. You can kinda see it. You know, you get a little glimpse, but pretty cool. Really nice setting, really nice place here. It's really quiet. What do you think?
Sorry, I was just commenting on my dudes.
I'm your dude.
I was just commenting on my Formula D's dudes Instagram.
You're having a tough time saying that.
Hoping for another victory run in Seattle this year.
We'll see. We'll see.
Happen.
Adam's gonna take it. Adam's got it. What? Who you got? You're going Chelsea?
Chelsea, yeah.
Adam. Oh boy. Bring it home, Adam. Yeah, if you don't mind, that'd be awesome.
We just got home from the brewery. We have a really exciting day tomorrow. Both of us are super stoked to go through the day. I think it's gonna be a long one though. So we're just gonna chill tonight and get relaxed for tomorrow. So.
Get relaxed, eh?
Get relax for tomorrow. Good night. We'll see you then. Ryan and I have been up for a while. We had a really awful sleep last night.
Terrible. The
bed was awful. The person above us just like walked a lot, and it sounds like there's nothing in between their floor and our ceiling. So we were up like all night, but we're gonna get coffee, we're gonna get ready, and we're gonna have fun anyways. So we're just gonna ignore that we're tired. And we're gonna go have a great day. Right, babe? Yeah, he agrees. Right? Right? Hello? Right.
Right.
Okay, we're on our way to go get coffee. A friend recommended this place.
We're on our way to go get coffee. Nicole and Nicole here.
We were able to get a second autograph signing, which is awesome because now I get to go with Ryan.
You went for it, good
Yeah. I just said hi to Chelsea. Ryan completely forgot to film it even though he was behind me.
I told my brother to film
Worst Instagram husband ever. But yeah, I want to say hi to him. Got a fist pound. Hey guys, so that is it for day one. It was super awesome. We're back in the hotel now. We got our autograph signing. We saw some pretty sick runs. My fave driver, Chelsea, qualified in second. So that was a highlight of the day for sure. We also got to do some really fun things that we didn't catch on video, like chat with Matt Fields and championship leader right now, and Ryan got to ask him a whole bunch of questions, which was really cool about getting started in drifting and all these things. Overall, it was an amazing day, and we're super excited to get back into it tomorrow and see actual competition. It's gonna be so much fun. We're exhausted, so we are gonna crawl into bed and pass out.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Someone's being mean to me today.
Somebody's hurrying me.
Somebody hurries me all the time.
Let's go.
Someone hurries me every second of every day in every single way.
You're just slow. It's not my fault.
I'm not slow. I'm doing things that you're not doing.
Well, you have small legs and you walk slow. And you know, us long leg people want to walk faster, okay?
Not being 6'4" doesn't make you short-legged. I'm pretty tall for a girl.
Oh, that's a really cute building.
Anyways, welcome to day 2.
It's about the dynamic of our relationship right there.
Chelsea, you put it together here, some awesome driving, you and Chris and just everything all together. How did it come together for you here, man? You hate that guy, we're cool, we're cool. No, just kidding, go ahead.
That's what you do at the end of the night. But no, I'll give you something different. I started drifting 20 years ago because it was fun, and I had a blast doing it with all my friends. And somewhere in the last 19 years, I lost that. And I was like competing and just trying to win and doing everything I can to drive the best I can, but at the same time win. But today, I just came out and drove like I wanted to drive, just like I did 20 years ago, and I had a blast doing it.
Super late last night, went straight to bed because we were exhausted. It was a bit of a marathon weekend, but it was so amazing. It was so much fun. But we got to meet a lot of the drivers. We got to have a lot of cool experiences. We definitely are seriously considering going to the final in Irwindale, California. So if you're into that, follow along. We most likely are gonna go, I think. Make sure to like this video, subscribe so that you don't miss anything coming up, and I'll catch you on the next one.